Hello, guys. It's a windy Friday afternoon to all of you. We are currently here in Sheikh Zayed Road. Hi, guys. This is the Sheikh Zayed Road. It's so windy. Malamig, guys. Oh my gosh. Hi. Let's take a walk in Financial Center Metro Station. Hi! We're walking lang because it's a windy day. So we're feeling the weather. Nice, diba? Grabe the trees. This is a good news for all the bikers out there. You can easily park your bike around here, just like me. And you can also take a photo here with the famous Burj Khalifa on your back. Guys, this is our food in Starbucks. We have this cute cheesecake, chocolate cheesecake, and I have my all-time favorite mocha frap in venti size with my name on it. See? Starbucks and at the Starbucks. This is what burnt caramel in venti size also. Yay! Hi. Hey guys, we have a fun fact. Today I forgot my jacket. It's already funny. Yun lang guys, bye.
Sabi ko sa'yo, nauna po. So guys, we're going back to the car. We parked the car over there sa kabila ang train. So we have to walk. And it's really cold. It's so windy. Hey guys, we're back on track. Yes, ba guys? Hinabi na po kami. Sheikh Zayed Road. Punta po kaming park ngayong gabi. We bought KFC for our dinner. Si ate po ang nagdadrive. Pin lang nila. Ito po siya.
park. And now we're gonna eat this mini dinner. Nag-alcohol na ako guys. Yan siya. Yan. Then, buksan na natin itong chicken. Wow. Sobrang sarap na guys. 4 chicken and meron fries. Ito yung Starbucks namin kanina. Hindi pa siya ubos. Then, we're gonna eat our cake. Stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. Eat a cup of coffee for you. Hey guys. We're still here in the park. It's already 7 p.m. We're just enjoying the cold weather. There's the moon. This is our view, guys. This is the Khazzan Park. Many people are having their picnics here, doing biking, just relaxing the view. Ate's over there. Yan siya. Hey ate. Today is 21 degrees. It's so cold.
Thanks for watching everybody. See you on my next vlog.